Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on locus. A special puzzle to warm up the brain cells is on the next slide. The answer will be given at the end. Enjoy. What is the meaning of the following? Good luck with it and see how you go. Locus. A locus is a path which is generated by a specific set of rules or conditions. With respect to the number plane, it is a set of points x, y which adhere to a given rule. Let's look at an example. Find the locus of a set of points such that P, which represents all the points, x, y, is always located exactly 3 units below the x-axis. Solution. The points which are always 3 units below the x-axis form the locus. So I've just put 3 points here as an example. 5 minus 3, which is here, 3 minus 3, which is there, and minus 4 minus 3, which is there. I've drawn a straight line through those points, and that line is parallel to the x-axis. Hence, every point on that line is exactly 3 units away from the x-axis. Hence, the locus must be represented by the equation y equals minus 3. Example 2, find the locus of a set of points such that Pxy is always located exactly 4 units to the right of the y-axis. Solution. The points which are always 4 units to the right of the y-axis form the locus. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, so that line there, the red line, which is parallel to the y-axis, every single point on that line is 4 units to the right of the y-axis, so the equation is x equals 4. Example 3, find the locus of a set of points which are always 4 units from 0. From 0, 0, which is the origin. 4 units from 0, 0. So there's the origin there. Now we have studied the circle to great length in earlier videos, and I think it's pretty obvious that the set of points form a circle. However, x squared plus y squared equals 16, that tells us that it's the origin, that form. So there is the centre, so the centre is the origin, and the radius is the square root of this number, so the square root of 16 is 4, and that's why this is the locus, and that's the equation. Example 4, the parabola. A parabola is a graph which has all its points equidistant from a given point, called the focus, and a given line, called the directrix. In earlier videos, the term focus and directrix were used when dealing with the parabola. We saw that the equation of the parabola can be written in the form x squared equals 4ay, where a represents the distance from the vertex to the focus and the distance from the vertex to the directrix. The parabola to the right is one example which shows the locus of all points which are equidistant from the focus and the directrix. So here we have the parabola. In this case, the above graph has the equation y equals 1/4 x squared. This can be written as x squared equals 4y. This tells us that the focus is 1 unit away from the vertex, and the directrix is also 1 unit away from the vertex. So the reason that the distance from here to here is 1, x squared equals 4ay, so we can see that a is 1. So the distance from there to there is 1. And the distance from there to there is 1. So if you take any point on the parabola at all, and you draw a line from that point to the focus, and from that point perpendicular to the directrix, then those two distances are exactly the same, and that will satisfy the condition. Here's a quick quiz to help you. Please check through the video at any time. The answer to the puzzle, what is the meaning of the following? You can count on us. The answers to the quick quiz and the video is at your disposal.